Good morning, welcome back to another uni vlog. It is my last week before reading week, so I figured I would take you along for a week in my life at uni. I feel like every week I've just been so sluggish about going in, and then once I've been in, I'm glad about going in, and that is currently how I'm feeling today. I really don't want to go in, I'm really tired, I can't really be bothered, but I know once I've been in I'll feel good about it. So I'm just trying to get through this week, and then I'll have a week where I don't have to go out. I mean, I probably will because I do have a lot of editing work next week, but I don't have to. I don't even feel like I've been in for a full half term, and it's already like the end of October pretty much. This year is definitely gonna go so quickly. I'm gonna head into uni. I know I keep saying I'm gonna try and film more, and then there's like 2 or 3 clips from uni, but I'm gonna try my best to film a lot more today, because I can guarantee if I don't, it'll literally be like a 5-minute vlog, but I will definitely try and film more. So I'm gonna head into uni, and yeah. Good morning, it is now the following Friday. I literally haven't filmed anything for the past week or so. I've been so busy with editing, uni essays, and also we got a new wardrobe, so we've been slowly putting that up as well. And I literally just haven't had a chance to pick up my camera and film, so I'm going to carry on this video today and hopefully film my weekend. I'm really sorry there wasn't a video last week. The footage from this video at the start was meant to be last week's video, but it just didn't get to a long enough point for me to make it into a full video, so I'm just going to carry it on this week. Hopefully this is going up next Wednesday as I'm filming this. It is reading week, as I said, and I haven't actually done that much uni work yet this week. I've kind of planned out what I want to do my essay and research poster on, but I haven't really made the start on writing it or planning it for that matter. Back end of this week I want to focus on that a bit more as well. I've had so much editing work that I've just kind of been putting uni on the back burner and delaying doing my essays because of how much I'm enjoying doing the editing work, which isn't a great thing, to be honest. I've got another week to do one of my essays and then another week after that to do my research poster. I'm hoping it'll all get done at some point, even if it does mean having to miss some of my lessons for the next 2 weeks. I like to take the time to complete those. I have been meaning to go and sit in a coffee shop all week, and every day I wake up and I'm just not in the mood to go out, to be honest. So I probably could have got a lot more done if I was going out, but I haven't been, and I've just kind of been using this week to chill, but I do kind of feel a bit behind in everything, which obviously isn't great. So hopefully this weekend I can get a bit more on top of things. I feel like I'm making a start on a lot of different things, so like I have a few projects on the go for editing. I have my 2 uni assignments started, but again, kind of made a little bit of progress with that, but not really. And then we've been doing bits of the wardrobe day by day as well, so I feel like I'm making lots of little progress in a lot of things, but like to me, because it's not completed, it feels like I'm not making that much progress. I do also have some clips of building the wardrobe, which I will show you now. Yeah, I'm going to film my weekend. Hopefully it's enjoyable. I'm going to try my best to start filming longer videos. I'm very aware that a lot of my videos are under 10 minutes. I do try and get them over that 10-minute mark, but a lot of the time I just don't have enough footage, and I don't want to use the whole clips of things because sometimes it's a bit shaky or whatever. Yeah, I'm going to try my best to film as much as I can over this weekend, and hopefully it makes up a good section of this vlog. Ignore how bad my skin is, but I've just finished Arrival for my screenwriting module and oh my god, incredible. 5-star film. It was so good. At about halfway through, the plot reveal clicked into my brain, and then just watching the rest of the film was so incredible.